a rare Chinese robin's egg glazed hue-form vase from the Yongzheng period, 1723 to 1735.
Calvin, you're still at 5'10", right? Which doesn't count. No, I know. I thought we counted. But I'm just saying. I just want to get everybody kind of riled up here.
Yeah, we're down.
All right, number 7. 500 once, 500 twice. Last and final call.
Known for its stunning glaze, this Qing imperial vase is one of the finest examples of monochrome porcelain from the Yongzheng and Qianlong periods. Created by the famed kiln master Tang Ying, this glaze is a reinterpretation of the Zhang glazes from the Song dynasty.